Hello students, welcome to PLK Computers or YouTube channel. In this tutorial video we are going to discuss about number system. So number system 4 marks question, it will come from this lesson, in which 2 marks question there will be conversion type. So one question, each question 1 mark, so 2 ones are 2. Similarly, 2 question binary arithmetic, that okay, it's max, each question also max 1. So binary arithmetic, it can be binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication, or binary division, or combination of that one. Okay, so little bit theory we are going to discuss right now, then we will come to the numerical problem. So number 1, what is number system? Answer: the system concerned with the number and represented by sequence of digit is called number system. It plays vital role in computing and electronics. Number system also refers to the digits, its arrangement, positional value, and base of number system. Okay, so these are the basis on which number system depend. Okay, and the number system obviously it plays very important role in computing as well as electronics. Question number 2, what is base or radix of number system? Answer: the total number of digits used by the particular number system is called base or radix of that number system. For example, base of binary number system is 2 because it uses 2 digits, that is 0 and 1 only. Question number 3, list the different types of number system with their base or radix. There are 4 types of number system and its base are given below. Number system: binary number system base 2, octal number system base 8, decimal number system base 10, hexadecimal number system base 16. Okay, number system and their base. Okay, this will be THEIR, their base are given below. Okay, now it is okay. Question number 4, define binary number system. Answer: the number system having base 2 and consists of digits 0 and 1 is called binary number system. For example, 101011. So by base you have to recognize, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 1. Okay, so binary number system example. What is octal number system? The number system having base 8 and consists of digits 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 is called octal number system. So remember, my dear students, previously also if we count 0, then it will go up to 1 only. Okay, if base is 2, then number can be maximum 1. Similarly, octal number system base 8, so maximum digit it can contain is 7, because 0 also we are counting. Now example 10101 base 8. So if there is 1001, so don't get confused. Okay, so understand by base. If it is 8, then think it is octal number system, not the binary number system. 1 2 3 base 8. What is decimal or denary number system? The number system having base 10 and consists of digits 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 is called decimal or denary number system. Example 9861 base 10, 492 base 10, etc. This is the last number 4 types of number system, hexadecimal number system. The number system having base 16 and consists of digits 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and alphabets A B C D E and F is called hexadecimal number system, where A equal to 10, B 11, C 12, D 13, E 14, F 15. Okay, my dear students, so maximum number system it can contain is the greatest number 9. After 9, number will be 10. If it is 2 digit, then we will replace it by the alphabet A, 11 B, 12 C, 13 D, 14 E and 15 F in the hexadecimal number system. Example are given here. Okay, my dear students, so now for the conversion, there can be maximum 12 possible conversion types. So number 1, decimal base 10 to binary base 2, so you have to remember the base also. Number 2, decimal to octal. Number 3, decimal to hexadecimal. Number 4, binary to decimal. Number 5, octal to decimal. Number 6, hexadecimal to decimal. Number 7, binary to octal. Number 8, binary to hexadecimal. Okay, so its base is 16. Octal to binary, hexadecimal to binary, octal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to octal. So altogether we have 12 types. Okay, my dear students, now for the first 3 conversion, okay, so rule are as given below. So rule for conversion from decimal to other number system, that can be binary, octal or hexadecimal. Okay, so what is the rule? Divide the decimal number by the base of the to be converted number system. Example, if you have to convert in binary, divide by 2, octal then divide by 8, hexadecimal then divide by 16. In this division process we get remainder, write it in next to the quotient in right hand side. Okay, so what it will be quotient in the right hand side, you have to write. Continue the division process till quotient gets 0. Okay, so up to until it is not 0, we have to repeat. Okay, when we get 0 then we will stop. Write the remainder from bottom to top, so we have to write from bottom to top. Okay, by example we are going to understand this rule, my dear students. So one question, it is 2045 decimal number system. We have to convert into binary, octal and hexadecimal. Number can be anything. For example, it is just I am taking 2045. Okay, so 2045, at first I am going to convert it into binary number system. It means we have to divide it by 2. Okay, so if you divide by 2, my dear students, okay, you can use calculator. So 2045 divided by 2, if you do, it will come 1022.50. okay, to get a remainder, how to, if there is decimal point, then there is a remainder. So how to get a remainder? For remainder we have to, what we have to do, 2045 minus 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 1022. okay, if we do this one, 2045 minus 2 into 1022, if you do it, answer will come 1. okay, so no need to, it is only for understanding purpose only. Similarly, no need to put the decimal value here. okay, so it is not 0, it means we have to continue the division process again by 2. So 1022 divided by 2. okay, so it is answer is coming here 511. No decimal portion, exactly divisible. okay, so 0 we have to give. Or if you do, if you also try above method also, so 1022 minus 511 into 2, if you do, answer will come 0. okay, so but no necessary to do. Again it is not 0, it means we have to divide. So 511 divided by 2, so answer is 255.50. For the remainder, what we have to do, 511 minus 2 into 255. okay, if you do, answer will come 1. You can check in calculator, my dear student. 511 minus 2 into 255. 511 minus 2 into 255. Answer is 1. okay, you can use the calculator if you are confusing. No need to put the decimal point here. okay, it is not 0. okay, so more step we have to go, my dear students. So 2, now 255 is again divided by 2. we will get, my dear student, 127.50. okay, to get the remainder, what we have to do, we have to 255 minus 2 into 127, answer will come 1. okay, no need to write this one, even we don't need this one. okay, it is not the zero question, so we have to repeat the process. 127 divided by 2, answer you will get 63.50. okay, to get the remainder, 127 minus 2 into now 63. okay, if you do this one, answer will come 1. You can use the calculator if you are getting any confusion, then okay, it is not 0, so again by 2 we have to divide. okay, so 63 divided by 63 divided by 2, answer is 31.50. how to get remainder? So what is the upper value here? 63 minus 2 into 31. if you calculate 63 minus 2 into 31, answer will come 1. okay, we don't need this decimal point. okay, so by 2, my dear student, if you divide 31 by 2, answer will come 15.50. how to get this remainder? 31 upper value multiply by base into what is your quotient, 15, answer will be 1. okay, my dear student, so no decimal point is needed here. okay, that's why I'm writing this one. okay, it is not 0, repeat the process. okay, now it will come 7.5. how to get? 15 minus 2 into 7, answer will be 1. okay, in this way we are finding the remainder. by 2 again we have to divide, so it will be 3.5. how to get this one? 7 minus 2 into 3, whole number only. okay, so it will come 1. we don't need this decimal place. okay, so now it is, if you divide by, it will be 1.5. okay, so what it will be? 3 minus 2 into 1, only whole number, so 1 it will come here, my dear students, and we don't need this decimal value also. okay, now again it is not 0 by 2. okay, when you divide 1 by 2, it will come 0.5. okay, so what we have to do here? 1 minus 2 into 0, whole number is 0 only. okay, so what it will be here? 1, because 0 into 2 it will cancel, so 1. so we don't need this also, and we don't need this also. okay, my dear students, now we are getting 0, it means okay, this is the answer. okay, that's why now I have done divide also, remainder also I have written. Now question get 0. what I have to do at last? I have to write the remainder from bottom to top. okay, so that's why I have kept one arrow here. okay, my dear student, so let me make it the state one. okay, it is now it is almost okay, so we can write hence 2045, its base is 10, that is decimal number system we have converted into binary. okay, so how many one we are getting here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, then 0 1. okay, so we are getting this one, So this is the final answer. In this way we can do. Okay, my dear students. Okay, from the down question, what we have to do? Octal number system, it means we have to divide by 8. Okay, so I am copying the same thing here. Okay, so it will be easy for me. Okay, let me bring this to the new page, it will be more clear. Now I am going to delete all these things. We have to divide by 8. Okay, my dear students. So reason is we are converting 2040. Okay, converting into octal. Okay, so if you divide it, it will answer will be 255.63. How to get a remainder? 2045 minus 8 into 255. Okay, so up to whole number only we need. Okay, so we don't need this decimal portion. So 2045 minus 8 into 255. So we are getting here, sorry, here 5. This we don't need. Okay, only understanding how it came. So for that only I have written this one. Again by 8 we have to divide. This 255 divided by 8, answer is 31.88. We don't need this decimal portion. Okay, my dear students, what we have to do? 255 minus 8 into 31. So it will be 255 minus 8 into 31. So 7 is the remainder, because decimal octal number system maximum, the maximum number, greatest number in octal number system is 7. Again by 8, if you divide 31 divided by 8, you will get 3.88. we don't need this. What we have to do? 31 minus 8 into 3. What it will be? 31 minus 8 into 3, it will come 7. Okay, now my dear student, it is not 0, so one more time we have to, but it is less. Okay, so what it will be? If you divide 3 by 8, it will come 0.38, but we don't need this decimal value. Okay, decimal point. So what it will be? If you do 3 minus 8 into 0, what it will be? 3, because this if you multiply by 0, it will be cancelled. So 3 minus 0, it will be 3. Okay, this thing. Okay, before I have copied from binary, that's why. Okay, so our answer is in octal. So what is answer? How to write answer? To write answer, we have to use this arrow. Okay, copy, paste. We don't need this much bigger one. Okay, so from bottom. Okay, to understanding purpose only I am writing here. From bottom to top we have to write. Okay, so what is the answer? 3775. Okay, now it is time for the hexadecimal. Okay, for hexadecimal by 16. Okay, so let me delete this one. By 16 we have, because hexadecimal base is 16. Okay, if you divide 2045 by 16, it will come 127.81. okay, for remainder what we have to do? Okay, we don't need this decimal place, my dear students. Okay, so 2045 minus 16 into 127. Okay, so 2045 minus 16 into 127, it is coming 13. Okay, okay my dear students, so it is the two digit number. Okay, two digit number we have to replace. Okay, so if it is 13, it means we have to replace 13 by D alphabet. It is not 0, so again we have to divide by 16. Okay, for this one, so 127 divided by 16, answer is 7.94, but we don't need this decimal number. Okay, how to get this 127 minus 16 into 7? If we do 127 minus 16 into 7, it will come 15. Okay my dear students, look here, so if it is 15, we have to replace it by F. So remember, if A, if 10 is number, you have to replace by A, 11 by B, 12 by C, 13 by D, 14 by E, 15 by F. Or whenever it is F, then if you do other calculation, then F should be replaced by 15. It will be vice versa. Okay, so we don't need this one, my dear students. Now it is not 0, so again, but it is smaller. Okay, if you divide 7 by 16, answer will be 0.44, but we don't need this point value. Okay, now what we have to do, 7 minus 16 into 0, but if you multiply by anything, it will be 0. So what it will come, 7, because 7 minus 16 into 0, 0, so 7 minus 0 is 7. Okay, now question gets 0, then we have to stop. Okay, and sorry, I will bring this one here down. Okay, so bottom to top we have to write. Okay, so we can write the answer like this. Hence 2045. Okay, 2045, it is decimal number system, so base 10. Please write at last like this. Okay, it will be helpful for teacher to correction. So answer is 7 F, and next is D, and its base will be 16. Okay, so it is the answer. Okay, I hope you understood how to convert uh, from decimal to any other system like binary, octal and hexadecimal by this rule. Okay, now what I am going to teach you now, from other number system, it means from binary to decimal, octal to decimal, hexadecimal to decimal, how to convert. Okay, remember the base also, binary base 2, octal 8, hexadecimal base 16, decimal base 10. Okay, so my dear students, now what I will do, just I will copy the same question. Okay, now I will convert from opposite, so answer should be 2045. Okay, so let me copy the question here. So answer should be 2045. So I am making this question A. So I have to convert it into decimal, so decimal base is 10. Similarly, our second answer is 3775. 3775 base 8, and we have to convert it into decimal, so base 10. Okay, so remember the base also, so 7FD. Now it is 7FD base 16, and we have to convert. Okay, sometimes question can be like this also, into decimal. So remember, it can be, question can be anything, so it can be like this also, or in language form also, convert hexadecimal number this to decimal number, or base 10, question can be anything. So remember the base also, that's why I am reminding you time and again. Okay, for solution I am making the space now here. Solution. Similarly, the first question also solution. Okay, now I'm going to read the rule, then I will explain the example, my dear students. Okay, so here we have make a table with 2 rows. Okay, so while making table, what you have to remember, how many number are here, digit are here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, so I will make one more, so up to 12. So I okay, up to 10 only, so I will go here. So column 12 and row is 2. Very nice. Okay, here I will write here face value. Okay, because in first row write the face value of given number. So we have equation, so we have 9 1. Okay, so you can count, my dear students. So I will write here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, then 0, then 1. Okay, so how many digit are here, count that one, and plus 1 you have to do for this one. Next is place value. Okay, so in the second row multiply the each digit of number by its base. Okay, so by base, so binary base is 2 in each I'm writing. Okay, so let me make little bit this cell animate middle one. Okay, now it is looking better. Okay, so multiply by its base, so I have done this one with the power raised from 0 to so on. 0 to so on means we have to 0 and how many digit are here, up to that much. Power is raised from right to left, so this is the right hand side. Okay, so I am raising the power. Okay, so its power is, sorry, control shift plus for superscript 0. Its power will be, now after 0 what it will be, 1. Its power will be 2. Okay, now its power will be, sorry, 3. Control shift plus 4, control shift plus shortcut key for superscript. Okay, so now 5, what it will be, 6 7, that's why I told so on. So how many digit are here? Okay, so now 8 9, it is 10. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to write equal to. Okay, so I have done this one also. So second column, find the sum of those number, this will be answers. Okay, we have to find. Okay, my dear students, and if we do one more thing, then it will be more easier, I think. Okay, because power writing more than one, it is. Okay, so same thing I will write here. So place value. Okay, I will repeat for easiness only, because if we write here it will take time. Okay, so now 2 to the power 0, anything power 0, it will be 1. 2 to the power 1, 2. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64, 64 to the 128, 128 to the 256. Okay, you can use calculator. Okay, so 256 to the 512, and 512 into 1024. Okay, my dear students, so what I will do now, so if there is 1, then we will write the value, because if you multiply by 1, value will be same thing. Okay, or so 1024 plus we have to do because up to 4 we have the 1, so only 0 will be cancelled, sorry 2, because 0 into 2 it will be 0, otherwise it's okay. So I will write here 512 plus 256 plus 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus, okay, now what it will be, 0 into 2 it will be 0 plus 1. Okay, so let me use the calculator to cut 2024 plus 512 plus 256 plus 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. Okay, so answer is 2045. Okay, you can use the calculator to sum up these value. I have also calculated it, that's why it is taking time. Okay, 10. Okay, so we are getting the correct answer. Okay, because in our previous example what we have done, we have converted this 2045 into decimal, sorry, binary. Now if we convert, same value is coming. Okay, so we have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 1 base 2. Okay, we have converted it into 2045 base 10. Okay, in this way we can, sorry, let me, this is the answer. Okay, now what we are going to do now, this one here we have question this octal number system into decimal. So we have here 1 2 3 4 digit. Okay, so this can be done from here also. So 1 2 3 4 5, because one for face value, another for place value. Okay, so we have here 3 7 7 5. Okay, base we have to multiply by base, that's why I'm writing base in all one. Now we have to raise the power from right hand side, so its power will be 0. One more row we need. Okay, so now after 0 it will be 1, after 1 it will be 2, after 2 it will be 3. Okay, so anything let me write this in middle for understanding. Sorry, what it happened. Okay, so now anything power 0 it is 1, so 8 ones are 8 only. 8 into 8 it will be 64, and if we multiply 64 by 8 it will be 512, my dear students. Okay, so what it will be, equal to 3 into 512 plus 7 into 64 plus 7 into 8 plus 5 into 1. Okay, so equal to, I'm doing the calculator using 3 into 512, it will be 1536 plus 7 into 64, 7 into 64 it will be 448 plus 8 7s are 56 plus 5 1s are 5. Now if we sum up all these one, so 1536 plus 448 plus 56 plus 5, answer will be 2045. If you get the final answer, so please write the base. Okay, at the when your calculation end. Okay, so its base is 10. Okay, we can write hence 3775, sorry, 3775. Okay, number system, that's why sometimes it will be difficult to write. Okay, so 2045 base 10. Okay, so it is the answer. I hope you are understanding, my dear students. Now the third one. Okay, so 7 FD into decimal. Okay, for this what we have to do, we have 1 2 3 3, that's why we have to make 4 column, because one for face value, another for place value, but one more for place value. Okay, so our question is 7 face value 7 FD. In all we have to write is base, so power will be 0 from right hand side, 1, then it will be 2. Okay, my dear students. Okay, 16 into 16 is 256. 16 ones are 16. 16 to the power 0 1, because in algebra you know rule of in indices, so anything power 0 it will be 1. So now I'm going to write this one equal to 7 into 256 plus f into 16 plus d into 1. Okay, my dear students. So one more. So as I told previously, if there is f, then we have to replace by 15. If there is d, then we have to replace by 13. Okay, that's why what I am going here, 7 into 256 is 1792 plus what we are 15 into 16 plus 14 into 1, because sorry, d means 13, so f means 15, d means 13. Okay, so 1792 plus 15 into 16 is 240 plus 13. Okay, so now 1792 plus 240 plus 13 is 2045. So our calculation end, that's why we have to write the base. When your calculation you are getting the last one, so I request you to write the base. So its base is 10. Okay, after that we will write hence our question is 7 FD base 16 equal to 2045 base 10. Okay, so it is the answer. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Okay, so previously we have converted 2045 into hexadecimal, and so answer is matching also. Okay, I hope you have understood this 6 conversion. Okay, decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal, similarly binary to decimal, octal to decimal, hexadecimal to decimal. Okay, and in next video we will learn to how to convert. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe PLK Computer Sir, and press the bell icon for the latest notification. Thank you very much.